Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, and hard disk drive assembly. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the speaker cable for later replacement. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the touchpad button board ZIF connector and disconnect the touchpad button board ribbon cable from the motherboard. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the keyboard ZIF connector and disconnect the keyboard ribbon cable from the motherboard. Peel back the mylar that secures the speaker cable to the top cover. Remove the speaker cable from the routing channel on the top cover. Remove the four 3mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the speakers to the top cover. Lift the speakers off the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the speakers.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.